I love my hairline. However, hi you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is caprielannissa, and today I'm going to be giving you guys my 9-month update. Can you believe it? We are in 9 months now. I recently just did a trim on my top half of my hair, and my ends look really nice and healthy, so I'm really loving that. But let's get right into what we're here for, the growth and what I've been doing up until this point, right? So as far as my wash routine and how I care for my hair, things have slightly changed. I was previously washing my hair twice a week, but I think I'm now going to reduce the amount of washing that I do to my hair, maybe once a week, I would say. I feel like my hair actually likes it because I can feel like it's moisturizing the roots, which I really love. And I have been really loving my natural hair. Like, don't get me wrong, I love my hair pieces, I love my hair units, I love my wig pieces, but there's nothing like actually just rocking my own natural hair. I mean, it's summer, for God's sake. Like, I don't need any extra added on to what I have. With that being said, I don't have to worry about my hair just, you know, acting up or whatever like that. But if I have it correctly tamed and using the right products and stuff like that, I don't really have to worry about that. And I have really been honestly loving the way I style my own natural hair. I do happen to have semi of a little preview sneak peek on my Fenty hair. If you guys have not checked out that video, I did recently review the Fenty hairline, and I'll link that video right here. Which also brings me to my next point. I did switch up my products, which is by the Fenty hairline. I was curious as to how this product or product line works for my hair, considering that I do need my hair stronger by the style, which is kind of their motto. And so that is something that I look forward to using with trying to help my hair grow even more. It does have Replenicor 5 in it, which has also vegetable proteins in there, which is a soft and gentler protein. I did mention in my review that the shampoo and conditioning, all the washing treatments, weren't my cup of tea exactly, but as I continue to use it, because I wasn't going to waste my money, as I continue to use it, the products definitely work really well together as you continue to use it. So from what I've learned, you can't really judge the product from a first time usage. You would have to definitely continue to use it. I've used it at least 5 times now to know that I'm coming around with this product, and my hair does feel a little bit more moisturized each and every time that I come back to wash my hair. So that hair product line, I do feel like is helping, and I do love the way my hair feels after using the products. Mostly importantly, I have been loving the home curl cream, which allows me to just wear my natural curls out and about, and just I love it. So yeah, if you guys have not checked out that video, make sure you guys go check it out. Moving on to moisturizing my hair. Every day I typically, if I don't have it straightened, I definitely just spray it with my curl refresher spray. Honestly, I have not really put any oils or anything like that on my hair. I've done serums, but I haven't done any like oils. I've not really put any oils in my hair, so I have really just been enjoying glycerin type products, which the home curl product from Fenty Hair does incorporate mostly glycerin in it. So it is definitely something that I really love, because that's something that I was preaching about before. For me, glycerin does something to my hair that allows my hair to remain moisturized mostly at all times. I barely have to touch it up with any type of product, so it gets me through to the next wash day. So if I feel like I'm needing a little boost of hydration, I will go back to my every 3 to 4 days wash routine. Right now, I have been just washing my hair as I feel. I do wash it at least once a week. Especially after working out. I've been working out lately, so I've been getting sweats in and stuff like that. So, but I love the fact that I'm able to just refresh my hair so fast with that curl refresher spray that I love so much, and go. I don't really have to do much to my hair, and like I said, the lazy way is the best way. Keeping your hands out of it is the best way. So I've been loving that. Another thing that I have been sticking to really is just taking my prenatal vitamins. That is super duper important to me. I have to take the prenatal vitamins daily. I've been on it really good this time. I do feel like that heavily contributed to my hair growth, as to how healthy and fast the hair grows. Also, with the mix of washing my hair quite often, allowed my hair to grow quite fast than the norm. So if you guys are looking to boost your hair growth, I will definitely incorporate some sort of vitamins. I want to talk about my hairline, you guys. That is one of the questions that I get asked all the time. Am I satisfied or happy with the results of my hairline? And my answer is yes. Extremely yes. My answer is yes. I love my hairline. However, I will say, whenever it comes to styling my hair in a ponytail or anything like that of that nature, this is a really solid hard line. These are really solid hard lines, but I mean, I have extremely great coverage as far as like when my hair is sleeked back and stuff like that. I left it kind of loose so you guys can kind of see how it looks, but all this is new hair. It's quite long, but I will say, whenever I slick my hair in ponytails, my hairline, to me personally, I feel like it's a little harsh. Even if I do try to soften it up a little bit with doing some sort of like baby hairs or anything like that, I feel like it doesn't look right. I feel like it kind of leaves me looking a little bald. So if I kind of like do it, maybe I feel like I'm pulling maybe too much hair from out of the back, instead of, you know, just using like maybe 3 or 4 strands off the perimeter and then bringing it down. That would be considered like a baby hair. I can't just take a whole group of swoop out like that. Like that looks like I would be bald. I don't know why, but I just feel like I can't take out that much hair whenever I'm styling my hairline, which could be a con for some people. And for me, I need all the hairline I could get, because, you know, we only had 9 lives probably before we had a hairline surgery. So I'm not going to say my hair is going to be perfect from now on, but it is quite challenging when it's styling your hair to make it look natural. Because I don't know about you guys, but it looks like I have on a lace front. I've been asked that or told that my hair looks like I have a lace front on. That's just one of the things that I have to deal with nowadays, but I mean, that is no complaint whatsoever. I just feel like that is quite a challenging struggle for me that I'm still trying to adapt to, because there was a time I was styling for a bald hairline, and now I don't have that, so it looks ridiculous now whenever I try to style like that, but I'm getting better at it. Let's talk about protective hairstyling during this time frame here. As you guys notice, I have been rocking my curly V-part wig, my straight V-part wig, or a ponytail, or my own natural hair. I've gotten to the level of where I feel absolutely comfortable with wearing my own natural hair out and about. Thanks to my biggest cheerleader, my husband. You have to have a really great support system when it comes to wearing and rocking your natural hair, especially if you don't feel like you like your natural hair. But I promise you, rocking and wearing your own natural hair, you're gonna be just great. Your hair is just gonna grow, and the more comfortable you get with it, the more comfortable it gets with growing with you. So try to find your great spot with your own natural hair and love on it. And, you know, not saying to wear all the time, because I don't wear my hair all the time, but when I do, I absolutely love it. I used to be the type of person that never really liked wearing my own natural hair, but now I'm just like, I love it. I really do. Even though I'm going to be styling my hair in a ponytail in a little while with a little hairpiece, I still love wearing my natural hair. And I don't think I've loved my natural hair in a really long time, but we'll get to that video in another day, because this is not a natural hair video. This is just an overall update for 9 months. Anything that keeps you from being in your head, like doing things in your hair daily, that is the best hairstyle to go with. Low manipulation, nothing that's pulling really hard, especially on your hairline or anything like that. That's going to work highly in your favor, because I literally just clip on my hair and take it off at night. And then for my ponytail, I just literally put it on and take it off at night. And for my natural hair, I just sleep with a silk scarf and I'm done for the night. And I repeat, and it's just that simple. There's really not too much that I have to discuss in this 9-month update for you guys. This is actually post-op day 181. I don't really have much news to say because right now I feel like I'm in my boring stage. And if you guys haven't noticed, I have not updated you guys weekly anymore, just because I didn't get any responses on my last video that I made, letting you guys know if I should do it monthly, should I do it weekly. I didn't get any response or feedback on that, so I just assumed that people were not interested in seeing anything other than the month-by-month growth. So I am no longer filming daily vlogs or daily, weekly type of information regarding my hair. I just feel like right now everything is just kind of stagnant, and if I'm showing off my hair every week, you guys can't really tell what's going on because my hair is slicked back. You don't really know how long it's actually grown out. You know, you don't know any of those things. You don't know how the back's doing. So I feel like this would be the best way to do it and show you guys up close and personally each month as we get to our year. How long will I be filming this journey? I don't know. I definitely just want to let you guys know that there will no longer be any updates weekly or daily. If you guys are looking for those type of videos, they are now going to just be monthly updates as such as this one. Without further ado, let's get right into the hair growth so you guys can see exactly how long my hair is and how well it's doing up close and personal. So this is my hairline, as you guys can see. I straightened it so you guys can actually see the length on it, but my hair is like super long. It's getting super long. It's growing really nice. There are no empty spots, and it's growing just very healthy. I'm loving my hair growth. All of this, all of it is new hair. So like y'all can see that straight edge. See how it looks like a lace frontal? It doesn't look like real hair, but it's mine. And then, so let's look at the back. So the back is coming along. I honestly feel like I don't really see much growth. I mean, it is growing. It's growing, don't get me wrong. But I don't feel like it's growing as fast. And I could be wrong. I just don't play with it or do anything with it every single day to notice. But I just wanted to, let me just do a little plait here for you guys so you guys can see. So I just plaited my hair and braided up in the back just to show you guys exactly how the back of my hair is, and that I can braid my hair. I just played with it just to braid it up, just to see, to let you guys know that that is growing. And I am constantly contemplating about putting some braids, twists, locks, something in my hair. Other than that, this is post-op day 181. I hope this video was very helpful for you guys if you guys are currently on your journey, and if you are just looking to find out more details about an FUE hair transplant. I did recently get my hair transplant done in Turkey, so just in case if you guys are interested, I do have to have a referral code. I will place that down in the description down below if you guys are interested, and make sure you guys be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up so that the algorithm knows that you guys like these type of videos, and it will continue to push out more videos like these. And if you are not subscribed, what are you doing? Because you are totally missing out. And also let me know what you guys think down below in the comments below. I would really love to know what you guys think about this month's update. Click one of these.